the professional desktop is dead. Or at least, that's what they wanted us to believe. For years, Apple fans have been shouting into the void, begging for one thing: the return of the king. We've seen the Mac Studio, we've seen the Mac Pro, and we've seen the colorful 24-inch iMacs that look great in a kitchen but struggle in a high-end edit suite. But today, the silence has been broken. The leaks are no longer just whispers, they are a roar. Apple is finally bringing back the iMac Pro, and it is powered by a piece of silicon so advanced it feels like it was sent back from the future. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the era of the M5 Ultra iMac Pro. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just another computer. This is a monolithic statement of power. Imagine a 32-inch 6K mini LED display that glows with the intensity of 1,000 suns, wrapped in a space black chassis that looks like it belongs in a stealth bomber. Underneath that sleek exterior lies the M5 Ultra, a chip that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. If you've been holding on to your 2017 Intel iMac Pro, or if you've been hesitant to switch to the modular Mac Studio because you missed the elegant all-in-one workflow, your patience is about to be rewarded in the most spectacular way possible. The story of the iMac Pro has always been one of extreme compromise-free engineering. When the original space gray model launched, it was a beast that defied its own thermal limits. But the M5 Ultra model? It's playing a completely different game. We are talking about Apple's new Fusion architecture. This isn't just two chips glued together. It's a seamless, unified die that allows the CPU, GPU, and the neural engine to communicate at speeds that make light look slow. Let's talk about the display first, because that's the first thing that's going to stop you in your tracks. For years, the 27-inch panel was the gold standard. But in 2026, 27 inches feels small. The new iMac Pro moves to a massive 32-inch canvas. This is effectively a Pro Display XDR built directly into the computer. We are looking at tandem OLED technology paired with mini LED backlighting. The blacks are so deep you'll lose your cursor in them, and the highlights hit 1,600 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're grading a Hollywood feature film in DaVinci Resolve or designing a skyscraper in 3D, this screen provides a level of color accuracy and contrast that was previously only available in reference monitors costing 5 figures. And then, there's the refresh rate. Promotion is finally here on the big screen, scaling from 1 Hz all the way to 120 Hz. Scrolling through code, scrubbing through a timeline, or just moving a window across the desktop feels liquid. It's a sensory experience that makes every other display you own feel like a relic of the past. But a pretty screen means nothing without the horsepower to drive it. The M5 Ultra is the heart of this beast. With a 32-core CPU, featuring the new Super Cores, this machine laughs at multi-threaded workloads, compiling millions of lines of code. Done in seconds. Exporting a 30-minute 8K video? You won't even have time to go get a coffee. The GPU is even more insane, scaling up to 80 cores with hardware-accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading. This isn't just for creative work anymore. This is a machine that can handle real-time physics simulations and AI training that used to require a server rack. Speaking of AI, the neural engine in the M5 Ultra is the most powerful Apple has ever built. In the